Alright, to get the pulsating bouncing arrow effect on your next button, follow these instructions. Go to View, Slide Master, go to the your top slide master, my top slide master slide, copy, and then go in yours, go View, Slide Master, go to the top slide master slide in yours. If you have multiple, put it in each slide master set you have, and press paste. And then on where you want the effect to happen, you're just going to type in this code right here, or you can copy it from my first slide. Press paste. This says when the timeline ends on this slide. You can have it when you unlock the slide by clicking 5 different items, whatever you need to do, and then have it have that code that happens at the end of on the timeline, or when something happens, when a mouse clicks a variable or whatever. Press preview and view scene, and that will add the bouncing arrow and pulsating button at the bottom of the screen. And I hope you have a wonderful day.